Eba Obibia Kwaba Eba juicy news, hot news all time, latest and hot news. Adamide Bremo. Captain Smart, Net2 TV show morning host, or the Ensemble Tuja and maybe Obogana Pokoko, the president Anna Dankwa Akufo Addo. In for Bisiamba, one able free China or Kase, Ghana institutions in go hard China for beginning in Alpha, and then Abemono, Captain Eddie and Sembi Tuja, now answer Yabeko and Sembimu. Message say we now subscribe to the channel now. Message say be subscribe. O click subscribe button on na wabele notification. We na video fufuro bi be upload no. So wonsa ebeka bi. Afi we na wa like video no my thumbs up. Na afi wa share ma afufuro so enye bi enhwe. Afi yenko ensem mu. Captain Smart on your TV morning show host for the ensemble bre atuga. Ni nyina gina bisi amba we abo and China for Nigeria institutions abosu asem and now to Ghana ya bobisia must say a car di China no enye asem ketwa ama na say China for Nigeria institutions in bebre aboso na yen hwe story abeto abonte captain sema o kan ne story abeto abonte confirm Captain Smart ni sema o de tudwa amribi yen hwe story no na yen hwe na fe yen fa Captain Smart ni reaction efa sanse bu nyina ho emrebo. Now, we screen this was say IMF report affirms Captain Smart's caution to Ghana on Chinese loan repayment. Now, what kind of story no details are? Or say the International Monetary Fund (IMF) has published details on Ghana's 4 collateralized Chinese loans in a report compiled in connection with the 3 billion bailout program. The Bretton Woods institution report says Ghana risks losing revenue from its mineral resources and proceeds from electricity sale if the government defaults in its obligation in the agreement with China. Not just a 3 billion loan IMF diamayano. China for kaya diomo in Tibia, not just a China for our quite say one just animal wing a captain Aboy Koko. Report gives evidence to about 5 billion borrowed by Ghana from at least 41 Chinese loan facilities in the past 20 years. After collateralization some 8 national assets for these loans, the country stands at risk to lose them to China when defrayment of these monies are default. They include proceeds from Ghana oil, cocoa, bauxite, and even the sales of electricity to settle the debt. And non then ram the betu ja cavity la so den sem ebebo mu efas animal we nyina ho electricity your cocoa your oil your bauxite ni nyina China be gidi nyina aboso isan say ye de woneka e ka ye di China no eye bubruja na ye hwe Captain Smart the reaction efa sansem we ebetu the captain so di bi asa beka ho na wasade ensem na yentie captain the captain kan efa sanse we nyina ho yentie captain so dia ode etu mu
aniama ye no nyina na ka ho ti na China age Ghana fa antem ye de bia ya me no kasa me ka tro se be bia me fi ba no wan temase a wo hunu me ni oh my Ghana ko IMF mako dunson Pacho, metihoi. Ojaye. Wujidi yesa wo hwe me ba 17 times. O ware me baba. Wabono 1, wabono 2, wabono 10, wabono 15, wabono number 16, wabono number 17. Keme de me ba no. Be kwaso ama se wa no. Onua. Bia na sofo bi na be ye. Me de me nye. Metu ka be fa me ba na firi ufie. Mekumba. Eti Ghana ko IMF dunson. Ojaye. Na dunson na ya ko IMF no ba kumpo ni ho eso aba mfaso. Obi nkyira bibi. Ojaye. IMF so mfaso e o Ghana ne de he. Na do ka kire ye se ya ko IMF no ba bia. Ye bibia be ye fine as if say ye magic they are going to conjure something.
You are disappoint me.
Eti ya ko IMF ne wie. Ojaye. No, Bia, no, let me tell you this today. The government was thinking that IMF the 3 billion in Abema concert for. Onuya. Na IMF ne China discussing nema na munim.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Modern day politics. Security. Umbisa kandapa no nkyeremo.
Wani.
Kandapa kwa de oba ye nkyeye. Francis Poku otiase owu. Modern day politics. Security. It's me tia na mesre. Move say no me 3 billion. See am 600 million. Wọ́n say da be na de aka no beba. Next year.
Onuya.
It's one share. Aban foforo beba 2024. Obeba be di IMF sikari bi. It's mo kwa na ye ana sa man kwa na ye. 3 billion no emba this year. And IMF my 600 billion so wache nipa ye ntua omoka. Ti say am no nka say $420 million out of the 600 billion is gone. I can't 180 million. You see, look, Ghana for
he is smart.
And ya kasa na me pe. But ade no me di akire kakra ti mo osue hunu.
Captain
Say 180 million na aka no kra no Potty Pharmacy GB. Don't forget to say university deben ya from say enye tewu ba ko bi wo ho lectures no wo association bi good dabi you tag more if say you tag for kabisha ho referee 180 ni mu na aba
Onuya machi o.
Twen sa 180 na bi say ani be kushin sidi no the seed danger holding against the dollar and rate cost dollar cost by 10 pesos.
Onuya.
And so 600 million aba.
Onuya machi o.
Financial check contractors say what Ghana. Omo $180 million. Ka 180 pay o. Sikana buy no 600 can for Atta the 10% from 600. Yes, and yes saying 60 million more. You can for Atta what $60 million if it's 600 million him. It's already done kasa eka 540. And it's a miracle. And it's like Akufo Addo did the call war from say yen train na Ken NG IMF sikane mayenwie owie no ko what in 60 million but Ken on ne on kwachina because IMF sikano 10 billion 3 billion. Sa 3 billion Ken better 300 million. Into Ken on ne kwachina G ya to abatia which we will do that in 2024.
Is coming. That's catch.
It is a cap $10 million dollars with IMF from the Bawumia. Sasi can onya capre.
Onuya.
But ha, let me catch them say. I remember maybe March or ho baby. And I may catch them say. Baby a Ghana yeah chrono. Because I then Crawford dear attempt Crawford Kasaba I had somebody on this year so a party communicator not of frame phone so me about trema that me
I don't know
chese about treba you
Wani
akwe dress me fine e phone so say bibi CD kura China into me take over from Ghana
Bibini Bibini
mema woni bia
Onuya
China befa First one, beside Ghana Broadcasting Corporation. GBC. Fatu trim. Number 2, me catch us airport. Ghana, ombefa. So when ya noa, womunya, haba, wompe. So when sanka enwa, Ghana, ya minerals na resources na ye wono. Revenue na ye jijino ne resources ni na no. China pay. And I fed your Tosunum say Electricity Company of Ghana. China budget. That day, yeah, sure you I'm sorry, yeah. Now you have to take catch him say, Captain, what's some way dear?
Captain Smart.
Man Crawford abe and run a drone be kai. Sabi say me ma craft be catch him say me no evidence of what I am saying. I'm saying I know what I am talking about.
Onuya machi o. Ye tie Captain Smart. Oja.
Now, say China obejimu 2 first.
Onuya.
Obesa babiom or say I know they say one case obeji 2. I'm saying don't worry. China obedi kanji 2. China will come back.
Captain Smart.
Obeba beje one aka ho ba sa one na ban ni de besie na ebe pie October 2024. Montro date na to date say.
Oniamachi o.
Ene 24. Some ne be pie October 2024.
Onuya.
China beba beje another company aka ho.
Ojai.
Atembe na MPP fu ndi mi.
Ojai.
Me pacho fa Onuya online sa story na me ye ne match no to ho. Mam. Thank you. And that honor. 4 state institutions China might take over should Ghana fail to pay its debt. Mena me can we o. Captain Smart cautions.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
First off,
you are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
FM.
Hot news all time.
Blessed Godsbridge Smart is cautioning Ghana against the Chinese government through the former default in defraying its debt. He has listed 4 states. One can say, Paris House, Samoa, China will likely confiscate should Ghana fail to pay her debt. According to Captain Smart, let's just say, Onuya online cray in who free me home.
The king of morning shows.
Just as they did to Uganda, Zambia, and Sri Lanka, China will take over Ghana Broadcasting Corporation, Terminal 3, Electricity Company of Ghana, Temahabo, Omanfa, Minerals Revenue, Nansoso. Ghana owes chunk of her debt to China. As a conditionality to qualify for a bailout from the International Monetary Fund, her debt needs to be restructured, which called for the infamous Domestic Debt Exchange Program. Ghana asked Germany, a member of the Paris Club, to plead to China on her behalf for a bilateral debt talk. But China pulled out of the negotiation. China said, on yet. But now, Nkwakrafoni ni nyansa nhunu sade we dam kwan mu ba. Kwasoro.
Onuya.
Meka se jina. Full stop, kwase jina. Kwasoro dodo. The president says he is confident, Meanwhile, President, during his meeting with diplomatic call at Atta, said he was hopeful of Ghana finalizing agreement with the fund by end of March 2023, which was a lie. The president says he's confident of the feat due to the cooperation of members of the Paris Club and more, specifically China. According to him, blah, 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 blah. Yanko.
Oniamachi o. Yeah, Captain Smart. Oja.
Enra.
Ojai.
Ghana Web. Ekopedia ye kan ye wa ha no. Ghana Web Troy. Let's go. Captain Smart mentions 4 state institutions as a question chen ho bi ma
Onuya.
Madrimraha minimize idea no. Captain Smart mentions 4 state institutions China may take over if Ghana fails to pay back huge debts. And go on. Now watch this. Every day I tell you, say, me can't some chewa upa jidi. Ojai. Me fa ngo. Me fa ngo.
Captain.
Where you omo de?
The king.
Na yen person say omo na akoye. But the point is that when you go down, Medina was ha. One paragraph. Our spoken morning show host, Blessed Godsbridge Smart, known popularly as Captain Smart, has said, blah, 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 blah. They all quoted me.
Onuya.
Minti, Nkofo sorry, no pa omoko online. Who Captain Smart, no wa click it. No wenyeska. Na Ghana afford me diagro. And ra. Yen nam hwa. I am FC. Yeah. Omoni China ayan kitahudie.
Onuya.
Uye ye ne na fabra. Na fe ma code details de so. Wo hwe we ina set match 2023, set match, me kind of match. I'm can't say be di agro and that's my cancer for date to her. China ne IMF atia se ma ban we asan atia se. Me be show niam aye be je free ensem.
Captain Smart.
Aban we yentude mfia akonwa so a medo nyame. Me ma me agiduku aka nyina aban we de be ma China. Me can be here. Pentecost Convention Center, when you're ready. Uvi say, I sorry there. A woman him. A Roman for cathedral, if I say, holy, if I say, what do you mean, friend? Dear cathedral, when you're ready. You're betting in every answer. Say Holy Spirit, say Holy One, Holy God, say there be whatever cathedral it is. Obi catch up wedding amateur, make us chapel. Perez Dome.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
And the war I busoka ho kohana. All of them. And right China. Any IMF. Ajia to say ECG. China and Jemfa. Sometimes I have a straight how I wish. Yan for the Captain Smart mentions 4 state institutions China may take over if Ghana fails to pay back loans.
Captain Smart.
And the Mecca for fracture wire Mama October 2024. Bomb will be a basic Ghana. Men can net document in a home. Bian Kame released in October 2024. Afia sign Korea online. Na kofa de China de abano. We are Kojoy, kofa no sobra. IMF report affirms Captain Smart caution to Ghana on Chinese loan repayment. The International Monetary Fund has published details on Ghana's 4 collateralized Chinese loans in a report compiled in connection with a $3 billion bailout program. The Bretton Woods Institution's report says China risks losing revenue from its mineral resources and proceeds from electricity sale if the government defaults in its obligation in the agreement with China. China say, China or no China, or say Ghana, China say, Ghana, gold, diamond, bauxite, manganese, oil, lithium. Sa sikani na minerals na obo ade de che na sha asase tiri mu nyina no. Ehun faswa ye tu ayenya no. China age. Element na wo fie ho ndin samfo na me wo gold, me wo diamond, me wo bauxite, me wo timber. China age. Mun ka che Kojo Kyeremanteng wo metla no kan jam semwa. China age.
Dana why?
Ya kanu kwache Kojo Kyeremanteng wase me medidi na tem. Na nya me no na net ho.
Oniamachi.
Eni edi wa cha no pa. Onuya. Me di atamaje de me kanu kwache wa wo pa chia me wo pa jai. Ojai. Reports give evidence to about 5 billion borrowed by Ghana from at least 41 Chinese loan facilities in the past 20 years. After collateralizing some 8 national assets for these loans. There were a near makum watchi and were memoha.
Captain Smart.
8 national assets already. Abani de sia wa. Ajisika we sa sika no so okoje wo China ho.
Na sika no wa.
Kwasoro. Ko. Currently Ghana owes China just a palpable miserable $1.9 billion. I can authoritatively tell you, bonds dodo kenoforiata arezi okrum ha. Any sika kenoforiata arezi no. Kenoforiata is worth $1.1 billion. We send baby akasa me na me kaye. Onuya. All documents available indicate that Ken Oforiata. current finance minister, who is the cousin to the president of the republic. He's worth $1.1 billion. It's a kind of right to say on the second organ, and your cost Zambia investment. On a can't tell me the improving channel. Ken is now investing in Zambia. The shares are one of the Zambian banks. Musiana Mumusano. I want him here, one-on-one. No medina. Obe body sama magana. What is Kaneko? Bisa wusa de te gabi oche da ko oya lawyer na galamsey fo nko a.
Wani. Enu na mint,
No, bisa ho.
Enu na mint,
Fair to because Sawusha the first say Ejapa boa. And I just had a friend.
Wani.
Yeah, that's an omudia Japam. And omudia Japa. I yet see one time acquire gold for oil. Gold for oil, the legal firm or Jen Shishayan in Yamagu Homa, gold for oil, Gabi legal firm. And the same Japa deal.
Onuya.
Eti a buy for Frobeba. Na gold for oil cars see a guhono. I can't do 2 billion.
Onuya.
Fedo 2-3. What they are not tone chain. Korea online. Go there.
Onuya.
What they are not tone chain say ya. Meno kasaya. Ghana ye oil. Ye dia kosi awa. Ajiska. Baby, a second free collateralization no China.
Onuya.
Ti fe no 2-3.
Onuya machi o.
Debt fund. Get fund.
Watching juicy news on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Get fund. I think Rollins na share say na Akufo. Whichever way. Rollins na share get fund I say. Eti yenjiji sika kakra. Rollins the BB by a friend Mobi Squad.
Onuya.
Debbie or starting with PAMS card. Program of action to mitigate social cost of adjustment. And a friend PAMS card. Oh yeah, PAMS card, no? PAMS card came from IMF and the World Bank. The Bretton Woods institutions. Oh yeah, I don't know, Mobi Squad buy.
Onuya.
Mobi Squad fairly here, no Rollins tenase. 10 years. Rollins tenase no do not know. Samanya careful. Ghana education best and no kofa get fund buy. It is our kai very well. Rollins time, not junior high school piano. One more workshop, meboa. Carpentry shop, masonry, dear. Why? Because Rollins echo Germany, or born. The then chancellor, and it's not say kita who ye no. No, cause no. So sad quickly no. Mami moving Ghana from the usual British educational and for employment to be amma.
Onuya machi o.
Nemo no. Memfa. German education embra Ghana. Si who ko JSS no person ye carpenter. Ubetimi aye. And na Rollins di mirike ko Aswanti Technical School. Go refurbishing the entire technical space. Emane baye, mi go mo attachment. Na ye kwa ye wo yellow adaka kese bi wo ho. Carpentry niema, mason, idien ewom na Rollins e de no baye. Sa get fund no. Akufo baye no be yiri mu mane ye ma bi. It is a contractor bi si school dan. Let's say a get fund project and then because no enche Ibetuaka Akufo Addo atam get fund dia kosia wo agisika Ibetua in the next 9 years. Et you club school dan na ebu no yentimi nsi adentra ya the get fund akosia wo. From oil to get fund. Once a health insurance egu. Once a egu. Obinum class egu, but let me be charitable. Get once a health insurance egu. Sikana kwa get farm no health insurance no entimin kwa because Ministry of Finance ya wa brofu mako enson emienu eda golden tulip emienu eda hotel na wa kase bi no e wo ministry ho Kempiski mienu ada ho miensa ada moving pick. Wasora no pay no ye na so otwefo no my call. No ma check the books of finance ministry. Sikana eba no kate queen tem no ma te ko. Na no so ko. Bauxite. I wo Ghana na na do de sia wo Majiska. Me kan na mo ye me. Na mo nim asama na me pesa me ka kire bo. It's on your online today. Fatu abiem. It is say Electricity Company of Ghana. I say annually. Ebinum say quarterly. Ebinum say monthly. I don't want to know whichever duration or mudinyam faso. Between 180 to $200 million. Ghana city, sorry. China says sasi can womope. Yadomoka 1.9 billion for the next 12 years. Sika ECG beji nyina China dia. Atuti. Jare baby your money kwadwo ho. Ya nye careful one sure obeka asem bia eni kwan se woka. And this morning may shebe ho so yie pa to deliver. China take over ECG revenue. ECG beji nyina no. Me pay that bit no mo fa ho no mra na yen kan. Baby e won ECG ne revenue ne ade no wo no mo fa ho no mra na yen kan kire wo mo. Eti Ghana say ECG Revenue Electricity Company of Ghana. Now, about a month ago, ECG for the cast said they have been able to digitize their revenue space. Now, me go here, me stressa, me security back. If I say Bismarck, also boss, why are you laughing like that? I'm saying, ECG at home. Eti Bawumia digitization by just to wholesale the collateralization of Ghana. I have no idea. You don't know what's happening. You see, there's a difference between digitization and digitalization. Two different things. It's about the so-called digitizing. I say, digitizing. Just to wholesale Ghana.
Yo, it's here for winning and summer year Captain Smart Eddie to Jar, Yaginim, China, Bisa Yabo, every China ho, a Kaya Diwamo. Now, as I say, institutions are China, AJ Aboso, and a Captain Eddie Atubia, no so, and I Symbia or Kachire or Bogana Foko, say, Yan Renia, science institutions we China for Beji Esan say, Eddie Wanaka, and Nona Airbamu. Now, Macau say, GC so, and Owusu. So we don't subscribe to the channel na message say obe subscribe or like na wa share video no amaye. Also betimi akire wadwen afa ensem we hu nyina e wo comment box mu. Mo bete me nka biom in my next video.
Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.